In this video, you learn about to make money online with ChatGPT. Once you create an account on ChatGPT like we told in previous video, you can now search your content for your videos. You can use ChatGPT by writing different prompt in search bar. ChatGPT are used by following ways.
To search for different topics using ChatGPT, you can engage in a conversation with me and ask questions related to the topics you're interested in. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Start the conversation. Begin by providing a brief introduction or context about the topic you want to discuss. For example, if you're interested in learning about climate change, you could start the conversation with, "Can you tell me more about the causes and effects of climate change?" Ask specific questions. Pose specific questions related to the topic you're exploring. For instance, you might ask, what are some strategies to reduce plastic waste, or how does solar energy work?
Music licensing reimagined.
For example, if the initial response provides information about solar energy, you could ask, what are the advantages of using solar energy? Clarify and request more information. If you need further clarification or want more information about a certain aspect, don't hesitate to ask. You could say, can you elaborate on the impact of deforestation on biodiversity? Switching topics. To switch to a different topic, you can simply introduce the new topic and start asking questions.
These are some basic ways to use ChatGPT on. In next video, I show you how to use AI tool to voice over on these searched content. Stay tuned and subscribe my channel.